Hello, my name is Volker and I would like to present you today the HD series of cold water high pressure cleaners. The base of this machine is a tough metal tubular cage frame with large wheels on the back for an optimum way of mobility. The established crankshaft pump with large brass cylinder head including ceramic pistons assures long lifetime and reliability even under rough and extensive cleaning applications. The machine is designed quite simple for an outstanding user-friendliness. Just a large and easily accessible on-off switch on the top of the machine and the yellow knob for infinitely water control are the sole variable settings. On the back of the machine we have a large tilting aid which makes it very easy to drive the machine over steps. The power cord could be stored also very conveniently at the back. Removing it is quite simple. Just turn the yellow levers and take the power cable. The large cover will protect the whole machine against damages, splash water or dirt. Because of the wide opening angle, it provides an excellent access to all relevant components which has to be maintained. A large transparent water inlet filter will protect the high pressure pump against fine dirt particles. It can be removed just by hand with a quick twist. On the front we have a highly visible inspection glass to control the oil level in the pump. Under the cover there is also a separate storage compartment for nozzles, the dirt blaster or other components which are needed for the relevant cleaning task. On top of the machine there is additional space to store or put many accessories on the machine. All units are equipped with a total stop device for an energy-saving machine operation. This means that the high pressure cleaner will switch off immediately as soon as the trigger gun is released by hand. This will extend necessary service intervals, but also guarantees remarkable lifetime of the high pressure pump and the electrical motor. The ergonomically designed soft handle makes transport comfortable for the user. By unscrewing the two knobs on the left and on the right side, the handle can be turned to 90 degrees for a space-saving storage. The complete accessory equipment could be stored on the machine. The spray lens on the right side, the high pressure hose on the metal frame support on the back side of the handle. Thoroughly clean results, amazing simplicity matched with highest trustiness. This HD series represents those attributes at its best.